Good morning. It's raining. Day 42, and I'm leaving the Qtr Way Inn. That was by far my best hostel experience. Tina, who hiked the trail in 2009, also known as Chunky, was a great hostess. Great breakfast. The home was awesome. It felt so homey, and I just loved it. And the people there, I really had a great time talking to everybody. My two buddies, Animal and Ninja, were there. One thing though, I just said goodbye to Ninja. He's leaving the trail, as I'm going to include in my video. He figured he was had better use at home helping his wife deal with some issues at home. So I'm going to miss him. Really good guy. So anyways, let's see how today goes. I'm planning on going 14 miles to the shelter, and hopefully there'll be a spot for me when I get there. So there's where I got off the trail yesterday. A white blaze. And then up ahead, I see the AT symbol and a white blaze. That's where I'm gonna get on. Even in the rain, look how pretty. That's where I just kind of came from. Down to the left is the road. I like my fields. And here's another one of those kind of ladders to get over the barbed wire fencing. So I'm gonna put my sticks over here. I will not be holding on to this video as I'm doing this, but here we go. Okay, all done. And the rain may be letting up, or maybe it's just because I'm under the trees now, but I think I might take off. I think it is letting up because I can hear the birds. They are the true test of whether or not it's raining or not, whether or not they're singing. All right. Darn it, there's another one of these type of ladder crossings to get to that white blaze beyond. You can see the trail. Bummer. Okay, that one's done too. Thing is, I need a new pair of sneakers or trail runners. This is the same pair I started with, so they have over 555 miles, and plus I had like probably 40 or 50 miles on them before I started. Getting a new pair this weekend, so that'll help me with my traction. Look how pretty this is though. Very relaxing. Right. Cross over this. There's a notice. Oh, okay. All right. Written permission of the landowner. And this one is taller than me. Oh no. Okay, I did it, but I cheated. I took my pack off and shoved it under the fence. So much easier when I have 27 pounds off of me. Today is just gonna be a really wet and muddy day. And mud is very slippery, so I have to be extra careful. No injuries Yep. I'm just gonna expect many more of these, and then when they stop, I won't even notice. Coming down. It's coming down. Okay, this is something I'm gonna be nervous about because a bridge is out in 5 miles. They say normally you would just ford through it knee-deep level, but if it's heavy rain, you need to wait it out. And guess what? I'm experiencing heavy rain. And I'm by myself and I don't want to take any chances, so I'll keep you informed. Woo, challenging day. Right now I'm going uphill. It's raining. My shoes are wet, my socks are wet, my pants are wet. It's muddy, it's slippery, and it's still raining. Okay, the rain has stopped for now. And I've already been here, but I wanted to show you this shelter. Not mall shelter. In the Jefferson National Forest, there's the same warning about that river crossing. Look how close this fire pit is to their shelter. Oh, somebody left some beer cans in the corner. That's not nice, guys. Pack it out. A few signs on the ceiling. The logbook. And then there's where you can go get some water. Got the Blue Blaze. There's some tent camping spots up there. Just kind of a small little shelter. Looks pretty solid though. Happy the sun's out for now. Stay out, sun. How pretty. Very cool bridge with the moss kind of growing on it. So here's the river that I need to ford. You can see the rope that you can hang on to, and it's actually not as deep as I thought it would be. I think I'm just gonna wear my socks and shoes. There's the old bridge. But I'm gonna let a guy go ahead of me and see how he does it. But definitely not as bad as I was thinking it was gonna be, so that's good. All right. All right, onward. So this is what a pack explosion looks like. I needed to get a new top that was dry, and I need to get new socks that are dry because I walked through that river with my shoes and socks on, and just the fact that it was raining. Putting on my new socks. Trying to dry out my shoes. They're like toast. And just enjoying the sun for a change. Glad I got these suckers too. I'm about 2/3 of the way done with my day as far as hiking. So I have the luxury of taking it a little bit easy right now. Oh, it feels so nice. Dry, dry, dry. Dry socks are a luxury. Peace. Oh, God. Got 1.2 miles left to get to my destination tonight. And part of that's going to be on this field, which I love. Even though it's slight uphill, I still love me a field. And the sun's out, even with all these clouds. Oh, this is the view looking south. Goes on for a long time. There's the piped spring that's listed on the Far Out app. Barely trickling out, but I'll take it. Coming around the bend. There it is. There it is. Yes. And here's the moment coming up where I find out who's here and if there's a spot. It's got a door, it's got 4 walls, and I'm assuming it has a view. Got one person here. Are you the only one?
Yeah.
Woohoo! I got a spot. All right, Chestnut Knob Shelter elevation. Open the door. Heck yeah! They have a picnic table inside the shelter. I'm gonna take the lower bunk because I'm older. It's a pain in the butt to go up. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay, this is great. This is great. I'm gonna take this one right here because it looks like my friend Animal's gonna be right there. I'm gonna move his poles and then head outside for a little bit maybe. Enjoy the weather. Look how pretty. All right, I got my new fuel canister. I bought a big one and I'm gonna go to town tonight. I'm gonna have coffee for dinner and I'm gonna make myself some ramen noodles with some tuna in it. This will be like the second time I've had ramen noodles on the trip. All right, day 42 is done. I had a pretty easy hiking day. After the rain stopped, I went 14 miles, made it to the shelter that I wanted to go to. The shelter has a door on it. It's gonna be nice and cozy on this little bit of a windy night. There's the view. And I'm meeting some new people tonight, so I'm excited about that. And that's all for now. I'll see you tomorrow. Nice looking fire.